Hello everyone from Cooking Licious family, it's Queen again. Here today I have fish. It's Pomona fish. It doesn't sound too appetizing, but trust me, it's delicious. I scrub the fish with salt and lemon to get rid of the bad smell. Then add fresh ginger, onion, and green onion stuffed in the tummy around it. Black pepper, a pot of boiling water here. I will put in the fish. Oh, hot. I will steam this for half an hour. Okay, my steamed fish is done. Here's more ginger, green onion. I heat up the soy sauce I put in. That's why I didn't marinate with salt earlier, because I don't want it to be too salty. And then I will add in sesame oil. It's all done. Garnish with fresh dill. I found out that fish and dill are great companions. They smell so great together. Now my little helper will add in fried shallot, and my little helper will add in roasted peanut. I'm all done. My steamed fish. Now let's have dinner. Guess what? I will make spring roll out of this steamed fish. Here I have rice paper, put in warm water. Put the plate. Wait for a couple seconds for the rice paper to be softened. Here I have lettuce. Cucumber. Let's just use my hand. Noodles. I like to add a little bit sourness, so I have pineapple, thinly slices, all kind of mints. So put it in here. I love a lot of mint. Cilantro. And then I have more dill over here. This one I grow from my backyard. Okay, now let me try the steamed fish. Look at the meat. It's white. I use the Pomona fish. Add more. A little bit onion and ginger. Now let's roll this spring roll. Use my hand. Both sides at the end. It's not as pretty, but it's tasty. This is my spring roll. It's huge. This is sweet fish sauce. I put some jalapeno in it. Let me try. Let me dip. If you like this easy recipe, give it a try. It's so good. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching Cooking Licious family. Bye.